Hey, what's up? It's your boy Mac TheWiseSole, and I'm back with a new video. So first and foremost, welcome back to the channel. It is greatly appreciated that you've been rocking with your boy. The channel has really been picking up steam a lot lately, and it is greatly appreciated. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. We are one of the funnest channels out here. We do a lot of things here. We talk sneakers, sports. That's kind of my thing. I love sports. I love sneakers. We do that. I get into movie talk sometimes. So again, welcome if you're here for the first time. And if you're a returning person, welcome back again. It is greatly appreciated. So let's go ahead and get the housekeeping out of the way first. First thing I'm gonna need you guys to go ahead and do is go ahead, hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to go ahead and give the video a thumbs up if you're rocking with it. And if you're not really down with the video, you can go ahead and give the video a thumbs down. Either way, it helps get the channel out there to a mass audience, and again, we're trying to grow the channel here as well. You can also follow your boy on Instagram and Twitter, which is down below in the description, as well as on the screen as you see it right here. On Twitter is where I give you all my sports talk, all my movie talk, TV show talk. We get into all that on Twitter. Follow me there. And again, on Instagram, you can go ahead and follow me there as well. Again, it's TheWiseSole, as you see below on the screen and in the description. So as I say all the time, I'm not gonna keep you too long. So let's go ahead and get to the sneaker. And here you go, the Air Jordan 1 Pollen. First, let's start off with the box itself. As you see right here, it comes with the classic black box, and the switch up on the box is the branding, the Nike and the swoosh are in that yellow pollen color. If you go ahead and see that right here, you can see all the branding that would normally be in red is in that pollen colorway. Now let's go ahead and read the label. We have the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, color blocking, pollen, white, black, size 12, retail price $170 US. And as y'all know, your boy's gonna show you that here on the camera. And here you have it, the Air Jordan 1 Pollen in that pollen black and white colorway as mentioned on the box. And first thing you notice on this shoe, catching in hand. It doesn't pop out at you like I mentioned in the box. The pollen color is, the yellow is very subtle and a dull mustard type yellow. So that's one of the first things you notice. When we initially saw the renderings and all that, we kind of had the initial thought that this was going to be similar to the Dunks that came out earlier this year. Very vibrant yellow. Jordan Brand definitely took a different approach with this one. And as you can see right here, the first thing you're also going to notice is the feel of the sneaker. So when you get the sneaker in hand, you'll notice it feels really good in hand. A very soft leather. Let me go ahead and take this out real quick. You guys can see right there, very soft right there in that toe box. If you could focus on the camera, it feels very good in hand. So you have a nice tumble type leather here on the toe box, and on the side panel, I'll move the laces out of the way again. On the side panel, you have that same black, nice tumble feel. The pollen yellow on the sneaker is different. When we start again back to the renderings, we initially thought it was gonna be kind of like a suede material, and it turned out to be not suede and a very flat leather. But it feels good. It's not like a hard flat leather. It's a nice smooth flat leather. Overall, I think it's very well put together, but that tumble black leather part feels really good. It feels nice and soft. At least on my pair, the side panels are nice and soft. And like I showed you guys earlier, that toe box again, very, very soft right there. To the outsole, as you see, standard Jordan 1 outsole, pollen color. This pollen color is slightly lighter than the actual sneaker itself. The white midsole definitely breaks it up, but it's slightly, just a tad bit lighter than the rest of the shoe. So if that's going to bother you, you might want to stay away from the sneaker. Honestly, if you're not looking right at it, you probably won't even notice that. Nylon tongue with the pollen white and black Nike branding on the tongue tag. The sneaker also comes with 3 sets of laces. As you can see right here, you have the pollen laces that are already laced up in the sneaker. And again, I'll show you these other 2 laces. And it comes with the standard black lace and some white laces. So if you go ahead, you'll have your options here. You could definitely go with black, keep the pollen laces in, or go with white. I don't necessarily know how white would fit with this sneaker. I've seen it on a couple pairs. It might look better in person or in hand. I don't know. But personally, I'm probably going to stick with the pollen laces. Yeah, definitely probably going to stick with the pollen. I might throw in a black. I don't know. It depends on what I'm doing with the sneaker. I have no clue. But this is definitely a sneaker that looks way better in hand. I was unsure at first. I knew it was something I wanted to see, and I was pretty sure I was going to like it. And Jordan Brand and Nike definitely didn't disappoint with this sneaker. I think if you go ahead and try to buy this sneaker right now, again, it was $170 retail. Last I checked, the resale value on this sneaker wasn't too crazy. It was around, I want to say around $260, $270 for a size 12. Again, don't forget, you need to add on all fees that you might have when you're dealing with any kind of reseller, as far as if you go to StockX, GOAT, or wherever you might buy your sneakers from. Don't forget to add that on to your actual price. All in all, I think the Air Jordan 1 Pollen is a dope sneaker. I'm happy I was able to add it to the collection. Definitely think I'll get a lot of wears out of it this fall. But all in all, again, dope sneaker. See right here, it's very clean, very well put together. Again, very solid materials. I think you'll like this sneaker a lot. On the TheWiseSole scale of scoring, your boy is going to give the Air Jordan 1 Pollen a 5 out of 7. And it's a shoe that I think you should add to the collection. If you missed out on it, I don't think you're missing the greatest sneaker of the year or the top 5 sneaker of the year. But it's definitely worth the sneaker adding to your collection. If you can get it at a real good price, definitely go ahead and pick that up. So for the Air Jordan 1 Pollen, you have your boy Mac TheWiseSole. Remember, stay humble, stay hungry, stay wise. Gang.